Hey, it's School Trains in Montreal here at Dorval at around 5 o'clock p.m. and I'm here just to see a few trains with some leaves before my bus comes. Leaves are really starting to pop here. Here comes a Via train, another Via train heading west. No engine on the end. And here comes a westbound commuter train into Dorval. Bound for Vaudreuil. And there's the outbound train headed into Montreal. So it's about 5:30 p.m. And that one's the run-through train headed back to the yard. Or headed back to Lucien L'Allier, probably.